desiring professional quality results. Our 3-ply roaster is constructed with a heat-distributing aluminum core bonded with stainless steel to ensure responsive even heating and easy maintenance. The 18-8 stainless interior will not react with food and is easy to clean. The Viking roaster works on all cooktops, including induction, and delivers even heating in the oven and on the cooktop when deglazing or making sauces and gravy. This roaster is also broiler, grill, and dishwasher safe. Inverted handles conserve oven space and ensure easy handling. The Viking roaster is large enough to fit a 25-pound turkey, big cuts of meat, or a large quantity of vegetables, including a roasting rack.
It's a beautifully designed roaster. It has a very nice kind of U-shaped roasting rack, which is made out of stainless steel. It's really important to have a roasting rack inside your pan because it helps circulate the heat around the food, so it's consistently cooked both around the sides and the top. This is totally removable, like I mentioned, and you'll see here it has beautifully riveted handles. They're upright, so it makes it easy to carry, especially when you have a large piece of meat in there. I mentioned it had tri-ply construction, so it's very efficient at heating. The other thing is this pan can be used for other things, not just roast. You can do lots of roasted vegetables in the bottom, or you can even use it for any type of casserole or other dish like that that you would be making when you're entertaining. It's beautifully designed. It's really easy to clean up, and with or without the roaster rack, it's extremely versatile.
Whether you're just starting or you've been baking and cooking at home for ages, our Recipe Right nonstick bakeware line has a pan to fit any recipe. Made from sturdy steel with a nonstick coating, you'll get years of use from every pan. Each pan comes with handles so you can easily maneuver them in and out of the oven, and the reinforced nonstick coating keeps food from sticking, so cleanup is easy. And they're dishwasher safe, which means washing them takes little time and effort so you can enjoy cooking at home even more. Made from sturdy steel with a nonstick coating, you'll get years of use from every pan. So grab your favorite recipes or find some new ones. Wilton Recipe Right nonstick bakeware is the perfect set to enjoy every day baking and cooking.
This is the Cuisinart collection of Chef's Classic cookware. It's a beautifully designed cookware that's made out of all stainless steel. It has some fabulous features. It has a wide grip helper handle on some larger pieces. It has a really nicely contoured stainless handle on so that you can lift and carry it. The other thing is that it has a nice rivets here. The handles are all riveted on. Like I said, it's all stainless steel inside, and that's really great where you're going to be doing classic style cooking. So if you're going to do any kind of reduction or you're going to be deglazing a pan, this is a perfect piece to use for that. Additionally, it has an encapsulated bottom, so it's all stainless on the outside, and inside of this encapsulated bottom is aluminum, which does a great job conducting heat while you're cooking. The other thing that's really nice is that we have this nice rim here that allows you to pour out items from your pan and it won't drip. This cookware is very versatile. It can go from the refrigerator to the oven, from the oven to the table because it's beautiful to look at. And then the other thing is that it can go right in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. When you use it in the oven, because this is an all stainless product, it can go into the oven at temperatures up to 550 degrees. And that's really, really great if you're going to do any kind of top browning or broiling in the cookware. It comes in a great assortment from saute pans to pots to pans to all the way up to a large stock pot, which is great for making any kinds of sauces or stews. It's a really great versatile line of cookware. The lids are beautifully designed. They have a really nice tight fit on them, so when you put them on, all of the nutrients and moisture is kept inside. It has a high arch handle, so when you're lifting the lid up, you don't hit your knuckles on the top of the lid and burn them. It also has really nice wide grip handles on the pots. And it's a great choice for an everyday cook who loves to cook anything from classic style to more modern.